If you made it to this video, welcome back. Now, how am I actually going to accomplish this? I knew that I had to come up with a plan. You know, fail to plan, fail to win. No, fail to plan, fail to succeed. Something like that. My plan consisted into three parts. Part one of the plan, I had to work out how much percentage-wise I would have to be making each trading day. And to do that, I use one of the many websites that helps you do that, Compound Daily Growth. My initial starting amount is 50. Now I needed to enter the percentage. I don't know that yet because I actually need to work out how many trading days there is in 6 months. So then I could throw some numbers and see which figure that I would need. The market is open 5 days a week, which means I would have not to include the weekends. So I could come up with the right number of trading days. I know there is 181 days in 6 months, but 52 of those days are weekends, which then brings me down to 129 trading days. Pretty simple, right? I know. Just follow me. It will make sense. Now that I know, let me try 3% and see if 3% rate will take me there. 3% rate will not take me there. It will take me to 2,214. Once more, we want to get to 10K. Let me try 4%. 4% is close, but it's not there yet. What about 4.2%? Boom, there you go. 4.2%, that's the percentage rate. The good thing about this website is that it actually breaks it down for you. So you know each trading day what you need exactly in terms of amount, how much you need to make on that day. Now, the part two, I had to know what strategy would I be using, what trading sessions would I be really trading, and what trading style. If you want to know, stick around and you might find out. Part three, credibility. How can I show you, right, that I'm being fully transparent and show you that I'm trading the right way and show you that you can actually do the same? There's nothing hidden here. So I did register. The track will be verified. The trading privilege will be verified also, right? And I'll be sharing this with you guys every end of the week. I'll be showing you where I am, right? You guys will be able to see my gains in terms of percentage, my balance, my highest. So you guys will be able to see my wins, my losses. I already deposited the £50 that I need. It's already there waiting for me to start the trading day tomorrow. So every end of the week, we're going to be going through this together and you will see where I am. The aim of this channel is to bring awareness of the Forex market. That can be life-changing, but it's perceived as scam, dreams, gambling, and all because of some bad apples like any industry has. Well, life in general. I want to show those who have maybe tried to learn the skill but ended up quitting, or those who want to get into it but they're scared. You learn the skill. The skill can be very beneficial. See you on the next video. Take care.